Right. Oh, gave China access to our power grids about a week or so ago on the 4th. I believe it made headlines. And now we're experiencing a phenomenon of rolling blackouts. I'm on the luckier side. I just haven't had water for a couple of days. But I was talking to one of my buddies. I showed my mom this earlier. Let's see if I do it again. Collect some of this snow. I've seen people do this stuff online for years. She freaked out. But then when we went to do it again, it didn't happen again. So, let's see what happens. This cold can't hide that. One thing I have noticed, it'll sit there for a while. My house isn't too hot, but it's about 65 in here right now. And shouldn't take long to turn it some kind of liquid. It shouldn't turn black, I would assume. I guess the black could be impurities in the snow or whatnot. This doesn't really justify it right here. I need a third hand to hold it up. It just shrinks. It's like there's no actual liquid here. It's weird. Let's see if I can just stand with them. Alright, chill out, bro. Yeah. I mean, look how black that gets. It's shrinking. Like, can y'all see that? There's no liquid dropping. There's none, dude. Oh, I got one drip. After all this time, I got one drip? For real? Still no drips, y'all. No drips. Look at that. Look at that. They call this snow, man? Hey, come on. When I was a kid, I was in Utah, brothers. This is not snow. I know. Crazy, right? But we've been showing y'all this for a long time. You really think that it's Texas's fault? Nah, man. Y'all need to just pay attention. Ain't nothing normal about that, y'all. So, just remember, subscribe or something before they, look how black that is. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We've been banned and censored and all the above. If we get one of these videos to reach out and touch the hearts of all the minds around us, especially here in Texas, bro. I mean, I do speak on behalf of some of our local constables and judges, and I haven't seen a single drop. Have y'all? Are y'all watching this? There's not a single drop. It's dry underneath me. Like, there's a little piece of paper. Watch. Literally, yo. Here's a piece of paper underneath me. Are you seeing what's happening in my hand? There's not a single drop of water on that piece of paper, yo. Y'all want me to believe this shit outside? Get out of here. You call that snow? Not a single drop of water.